Hello, friends. Welcome to the second episode of my solo trip to Myanmar. In this episode, we are going to explore Bagan. Bagan is an ancient city that was the capital of Myanmar from 9th to 13th century and is currently recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In its heyday, this ancient city was home to over 10,000 temples, stupas, and pagodas. Only 2000 of them survive to this day. Before we start exploring this beautiful city, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Your support is deeply appreciated. Bagan is located about 600 kilometers north of Yangon. After reaching Bagan by an overnight bus, I checked into my hotel and rented an electric scooter to explore the city. My first stop was the famous Dhamyangi temple, which is the largest in Bagan. It is located inside a huge complex surrounded by walls and gates. Next, I headed to Thatbinnu Paya, which is the tallest temple in Bagan at 217 feet. My next stop was the famous Ananda temple, a marvelous fusion of Mon and Indian architecture styles and often referred to as the Westminster Abbey of Burma. There are several shops inside this temple complex selling a variety of Burmese handicrafts such as dolls and the famous lacquer work of Burma made by talented local artisans. Just after leaving the Ananda temple complex, I came across the ancient Tharava Gate. This is the only surviving gate of the old city of Bagan. Beyond the Tharava Gate, I came across the Bagan Golden Palace, which was reconstructed in 2008. My next stop was the majestic Tilominlo Patho, another impressive temple of Bagan, which was damaged by an earthquake a few years ago. I visited a number of beautiful temples that morning, some of which did not even have names and were only identified by numbers. After spending the morning visiting these beautiful temples, I treated myself to a simple but delicious lunch of Burmese chicken curry and rice. After the lunch, I went for a stroll along the beautiful Irrawaddy river before returning to my hotel. I stayed at a nice hotel aptly named Temple View Bagan. The rooms were spacious, well maintained, and equipped with a balcony overlooking a series of ancient temples next to the hotel. After resting for a few hours, I traveled to the nearing village of Minnatu. This little village provides an unique insight into rural Burmese life. I witnessed cotton being spun into thread and being woven into a variety of clothing materials in handlooms. These materials are then sewn into longi or lungi, the most popular item of clothing for both men and women. Here I also witnessed the making of traditional Burmese lacquer work. After spending some time experiencing this village, I traveled to the Minnatu Sunset Hill, a man-made structure made for tourists to enjoy the beautiful Bagan temples at sunset and discourage them from climbing onto the pagodas for this view. I enjoyed a beautiful sunset and then returned to my hotel for the night. The next morning, I was treated to a delicious breakfast at the hotel buffet. After spending a relaxed morning, I checked out of my hotel and took a share taxi to Mount Popa. On the way, we made a quick stop to witness traditional palm wine and liquor production. Mount Popa is an extinct volcano that is 1500 meters high and offers an impressive view of the plains below. The monastery at the top makes for a spectacular sight bathed in the golden colors at dusk. After taking in this spectacle, I returned to Bagan and boarded my overnight bus to Inle Lake. That's all I have for this episode, friends. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. I will see you next time at Inle Lake. Until then, goodbye.